Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna unbox and review this floor lamp by LePower. This thing is actually quite powerful at 3800 lumens, and it also has a remote control. So I'm gonna put it inside one of my rooms and see how much it brightens it up. I have the remote control right here. Clicky buttons. It requires 2 batteries, which are included. So it looks like 2 AAA batteries, which I'll pop right in and stuff. So good to go there. It is 100 to 240 volts. This is the power plug. Some instructions right here. And yeah, let's just go ahead and take this stuff out. So it's just gonna basically screw on. Looks like there's some buttons here as well. So on and off, brighter, dimmer, and night mode, I guess. And this is the LED portion of it, so yeah. So there it is. We have a heavy base. Yeah, it's decently heavy. Here's the moment of truth. So this is full brightness in the natural light, so which is in between the 3500 to 4500K. So you do have some shortcuts on the remote. Again, this is full brightness, so we're gonna go to warm light, to the natural light, to the cool light, and then you actually have more control than that. So there's actually 5 different settings, but those are the 3 main shortcuts. So if this is the coolest light at 5000K, we're gonna step it down to 4500, 4000, 3500, and 3000. And then we have the option to dim the light. So this is at its brightest, and then we're gonna dim it. So I'm doing all of this through the remote control, which has more options than the floor lamp itself. But I'll touch those buttons as well just to show you guys what you can do with that. And this is the nightlight mode. And obviously could turn it on and off from the remote. So the top one is power, so on and off. And followed by the color temperature. So now we're at 3000K, and every time I touch it, it's going to go up by 500. So 3500, 4000, 4500, 5000, and then back down to 3000. So it just cycles through. The same is true for the brightness. So we're at 100% now, and we're going to go down to 20%, 40%, 60, 80, 100%, and then cycle again. And we're back at 100%, and then finally this is the sleep mode, so night light essentially, and you're good to go. And if you guys are thinking about adjustments, so essentially it goes all the way up, and it could do a 90 degrees tilt, and then again back up, and then you could spin this if you wanted to.